Does the sound of someone chewing gum make you feel instant, irrational rage? Do the fluorescent lights in a grocery store give you a headache within minutes? Does the ticking of a clock sound like a hammer hitting an anvil? You are often told you are being picky or dramatic, but neuroscience disagrees. You are experiencing a hardware difference in sensory gating. To understand this, we must look at the thalamus. Located deep in the center of the brain, the thalamus is your neural relay station. Every sight, sound, and texture you experience passes through here first. In a neurotypical brain, the thalamus acts as a heavy blast door. It automatically filters out irrelevant background noise, like the hum of a fridge or the texture of a shirt, so the conscious brain can focus on what matters. But in the introverted and highly sensitive brain, this gate is porous. Research shows that your thalamus lets in significantly more raw data. You don't just hear the background noise, you process it with the same priority as a conversation. This means your cortical processing centers are running at 100% capacity just to manage the static. The rage you feel isn't emotional anger, it is sensory overload. It is your CPU screaming for the input stream to stop so it doesn't overheat. You cannot practice ignoring these inputs. The hardware doesn't allow it. You must manually build the filter your brain lacks. Use noise-canceling headphones. Wear sunglasses indoors. Control the environment because your brain cannot ignore it. Protect your inputs. Welcome to Soma.